It's Kevin here from Golden Dream Distilling, 62 Taupo Key in Wanganui, the little shop that has it all. Today we are doing Pure Distilling whiskies. So we have Irish Dew, okay, whiskey, okay, Irish whiskey, okay. We also have Grand whiskey, but wait, we have more, okay, Canadian whiskey, and we have a couple more. Okay, what else we got here? Johnny's Blend. And Southern style whiskey, we have Edwards Essences, Johnny Joggers. Okay, so these are all whiskies. Okay, single malt whiskey, Colonial Club whiskey, and Shamrock. That's liqueur whiskey, but it's a whiskey. So that is cinnamon whiskey. Okay, rye whiskey. Okay, whiskey. Okay, Shamrock whiskey. Okay, single whiskey, Southern style whiskey, and smoky whiskey. You get all these from Golden Dream Distilling, 62 Taupo Key in Wanganui, the little shop that has it all. Cheers guys.